everyone, welcome to my channel CG Creatives. So today I'm going to show you that how you can attach your IVs, trees, or you can say the branches to your mesh. And basically this is the mesh which I have been imported from Maya. So this is basically a human head. You can import any of your meshes, for example the stones or buildings, anything, whatever you would like. So I'm just going to show you the procedure that how I've attached this entire bakes, branches and trunks to this mesh. So I'm just opening my new blank project, color to gray. Next I'm just going to import my mesh, type here as the face and touch OK. I'm going to import our mesh face, just drag and drop and add geometry force to the scene. This will help us to easily make our model easily importable in SpeedTree. After that we just need to click on the model and include in model. Just click on this. So now you can easily differentiate between the height of the character and the height of the mesh that have been imported. And our next step is just I'm going to this tree, adding trunk. Oh my god, this trunk is very large. Okay, so it's according to the human face, and then we need to go to click on this trunk and go to skin, because I need to lesser the radius of this. So I'm going to here just a little bit tweak with the graph, and yes, yeah, just going right, point it from the top. Yeah, now I'm just going to trunk, adding some more branches over there, just increase the branches. And one more thing, I'm using the version 10.1.0, and you can use any of the version you like, whether it's 8, 9 or anyone. I'm using SpeedTree 10. Yeah, so after making such branches you can again make some of them. Just right click and can add whatever you wanted, whether it's bifurcatings or leaves you can add, other more branches you can also add. It's all up to you that what all you want to add and how you want your mesh to look like. So I'm just creating more branches and increase little bit of this size. This is perfect now. Yeah, so after that what you need to do, you just click on one by one on all the three your procedural assets. So just I'm clicking on trunk. Just before that you just also need to click on your mesh or whatever your object you're importing from outside, and after that you just need to increase your strength, but we'll increase it afterwards. Before that I just want to increase the attenuation, going to quadric. So the basic work of attenuation is that it helps in attracting the branches or whatever the SpeedTree mesh we have. The more the distance, the more it attracts the asset we have in our procedural SpeedTree. So I'm just going to show you one by one. I'm just first set it to none. I'm going to trunk, and we have an option forces, yes. And now one by one you need to go all the three procedural assets. So I'm going on trunk, click on this face because it's help us to attract the forces. See, when you click on the face of the trunk shape changes. See, it's all because we have enabled the face force, the mesh force we can say. You can also tweak it. It's all depend on you, whatever the shape you want. And second is you go to the branches, then again you need to click on this. And remember one more thing, while doing this you need to set the very subtle strength of your mesh, because oversettling it makes it more filled, which also looks very bad, and very less also decrease the quality of your asset. So make sure that you are using the right quality and make sure that you are using the right values. and it's very important to use. So it's fine. Second, I'm going to the branches and again enabling the face. This makes us more and more working. So this is some of the issue you can see. Now I will show you that how you need to sort this issue. The first very point which I show you at animation, this basically helps in maintaining and attracting those distance. Now you need to increase your distance value in at animation, and you can see how much it helps. Okay, fine. Now again I'm just going to this branches, and also before that I just need to make the pass value 2 and all the pass value 2 again. Cool, it's fine now. Then yes, going to branches again and just adjusting it, and after that we need to go to the force and adjusting again this mesh. We need to set our strength as well. It will keep 0.5. It will make messy, and if you increase it, so increase it more. And one more thing, you can increase the size of this as well, the branches, so that it helps to scatter everywhere. Then yeah, increase its size. To this, you can change the position according to your requirement, like how I'm changing it, and you need to adjust it as well, because it's not a one-time process. You need to give some time to it to settle it down. It's all because it's procedural and attracts on the mesh basis, try count basis as well. So one by one we need to fix all this. Yes, again forces, need to settle it down. One more thing, you need to increase the quality of your branches as well. Quality here I'm going to say you that the poly count, tries count you need to increase, because the more there is the segments in the tries count, it helps getting the better quality. Yes, so again this one is left. Single-handedly we need to connect this. Yes, you can need a tweak as well, whatever the values you wanted to tweak. It's a very interesting process. I really like the way SpeedTree handle this. I can take one more branch and increase its size, numbers, little bit of jumble, click on it and enable force with it. Before that I'll save my file, because otherwise if it's gone then it will be a huge process for me to make it again. I'll name as procedural mesh attract. Cool. So just save it and click on this again, go to forces, enable it. You can easily get the way you want. If I hide my mesh, you can see, oh, it's looking beautiful. If you want, you can hide your trunk as well. just to get the exact shape, or you can hide the branches and you can see it's looking pretty awesome. I'm just going to show visibility all. Yeah, so this way you can handle your assets or the way you like. It's a little bit of time taking process, but yes, once you do it properly, it will save your time as well. So I'm just going to hide it again. I'm just going to decrease the size of the other branches. It will look so messy otherwise. And when I hide the face, you can see the shape quite easily. And again, need to click on it and procedural motion tract. Yes, I'm going to this again and forces a little bit of settlement, because after settling, once you increase and you need to increase your force mesh just to settle the branches or whatever the trunk you have, so that it may not look messy. Now it's I think looking fine. So just go to visibility and show all. Fine. Now the chance came, then you can add your texture as well. Just going to materials, add trunk material. Fine, and you can also use whatever the material or the texture you wanted to use. I'm just using simple bark material. Trunk, you can see. Let's move on to side it. You just need to click on it, add material, trunk. Let's okay. Fractional enable and increase the size. So that's fine now. See, just got your mesh, and you can use it anywhere, whether on stones, walls, everywhere, wherever you want, you can use like this way. Now after this, I'm going to add some leaves as well. It's all depending on your project or whatever your requirements are. Just increase a little bit of size. Yes, then yes. Leaves. Fine. Then leaves. Games, broadleaf, leaves. Yeah, I can use this one. A little bit of orangish and opacity normal and normal, glass map. Yes, again, this much is enough for now. And just to show you leaves. Oops, looking fine really. You can increase the size or the orientation. You can change according to the way you like, and you can Not looking pretty fine. You can use the way you like. Thank you so much for watching this, and by using your normal mesh or any kind of a mesh you wanted to import in SpeedTree, you can use like this. I'm just made a base model just to let you know that you can also use something like this. So thank you so much for watching this, and guys, if you really like my tutorials based on SpeedTree, Unreal Engine, or anything whatever you want, you are free to comment about the tutorial or anything you want to learn from me regarding 3D, because I generally use a software that is my SpeedTree, Unreal Engine, Substance Painter, and Unity as well. So, and I'm planning to give you more tutorials on Unity as well. So keep supporting this, because SpeedTree is mainly used in game engines. It's also used in movies or VFX as well, but majority of the cases that which I am dealing is based on your games or game related to all game engines as well. So yeah, thank you so much. We'll meet on the next video. Thank you.